In a field in late spring, lots of wildflowers. Some native, some not. These white flowers are morning glory. Calistegia macrostegia. Has beautiful white corolla. It is a vine. You can see it's climbing up these old stems. These are probably black mustard stems from last year. The leaves are interesting. The leaves are sagittate, which means they're shaped like an arrowhead. So these little leaves have a very special look. Morning glory comes back after fires. In this chaparral area, lots of fires. One of the first to recover in an area that has burned will be morning glories. I have a couple of interesting relatives. A relative in the food supply is sweet potato. Not the regular potatoes, but sweet potato in the morning glory family. Also one of the parasites out in the chaparral, that orange kind of a spaghetti-looking parasite, dodder, related also to morning glory. Let's go over and look at another area of morning glory. Here's a nice patch of low growers. They would be higher if they had things to grow on. The little tendrils will wrap around stems and get up closer to the sunshine. Morning glory all over the hillside, mixed in with the European grasses, European mustard, and native mallow. So a hillside in Southern California will have plants from other lands mixed in with native plants as well. Insects visit. I see a little visitor down here now. Hanging out in the corolla of this plant is a black and orange ambush bug. There he goes. Here's another visitor. This little ladybug, this little lady beetle, is a predator looking for a pollinator to eat. Let's look at a few more flowers. Corolla, we'll take it off. See what's inside. Aha! Here we go. 5 anthers. 2 are gone. Okay. Another one is gone. 1 more is gone. Now you can see what's left. You can see the forked stigma. That's for receiving pollen, hopefully from another plant. So 1 stamen remain, and the female part, the stigma and the style. The style is attached to the ovary. When the pollen grains find the sticky stigma, they will germinate, send a pollen tube down to the ovary. Ultimately, the ovary will ripen into a fruit with seeds inside. Let's take off the last stamen. So all that's remaining then of this flower is the female part that was kind of hiding out underneath the anthers. There's the ovary at the base, and that ovary will ripen, enlarge, mature into a fruit with seeds. Little fruit called a capsule with lots of little seeds. You can see that works pretty efficiently. This whole hillside is covered with the results of lots of seeds. Little growing plants climbing up on stems and grasses here in the sunshine of late spring and summer.